In this video, I'll show you how to create an epic in Jira. First, on the left panel, go to the project where you want to add the epic. Then, at the top, click on the Create button. Under the work type, click the drop-down and select Epic. Now you can start filling out the details, set the status, add a summary, assign it to someone on your team, choose a start and end date. You can also customize the issue color to help it stand out. Once everything looks good, click on Create. Your epic is now added. You can view and manage it on Timeline, where you can drag and adjust the issue as needed. You can also switch to Calendar view to see how it fits in your project schedule. And that's it. That's how you create an epic in Jira. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.